I often use the select similar tool, but what do you do when it doesn't do what you want? That's what I'm going to talk about. So I've got an object here which is a plant, which is on the none class. So if I use my select similar, when I click on plant, because I've got it set to object, it should choose all plants, every one of them. But it doesn't. It only chooses that type of plant. So if I click on this one, it only chooses that type of plant. What's the way around this? Let's try this. Let's go to Tools on the menu bar, Custom Selection. We're going to select only, and we're going to create a script. Now you don't have to know any computer stuff to do this, so let's go to our criteria. So we're going to change this from the layer to the type, and the type is, I want to look for plant. Okay, so it's going to find 42 objects. I don't want to look in symbols, I don't want to look in viewport annotations, and let's go OK. So I've got a Save Views palette, but I need a new palette called Utilities. So new palette called Utilities, click OK. We're going to choose that, select OK. So now let's name the script. Select plants. OK. So I've now got a utility which is floating around. I'll just go find it. It's on my other screen. This is my little utility palette, and I'm going to use it for lots of different things. But if I double click select plants, it selects all of my plants at once. So now I can copy them and I can paste them into a project that I'm working on. And there are all my plants, and I can use those on my project now. So remember, it was the utility. Now the utility only appears in the one file. When I go to my new project, it's not there. But if I use my resource manager, I can go to my end of week 7. I can find my script palette. Scripts. There it is, utilities. I can right click and I can import that palette into this project as well. So now I want to go to Window, Script Palettes, Utilities. There's my select plants. Double click on it and it finds all my plants. Really handy. So these scripts are very easy to make. They don't require any programming. They just require you to understand what you're trying to achieve. Hey, if you really like this movie, don't forget to become a member of my website. This is the sort of stuff we do in our workshops every month.